Welcome to your French class. In this class, we'll do a practice exercise of le subjonctif. Before starting the exercise, let's have a brief introduction and formation of subjonctif. So first we'll start with the formation of subjonctif for je, tu, il, elle and il, elle plural cases. So for these pronouns, we take the conjugation, present conjugation of il, elle plural, and then we drop the ending ent, then we add e with rest of the spellings. For je, for tu we add es, for il and elle we add e, for il and elle plural cases we add ent. Okay, now let's have a look on the cases of nous and vous. For the conjugation of nous and vous, we drop ons from the present conjugation of nous, and then we add ions for nous and iez for vous. Now let's have a look on the irregular verbs. Now let's come to the sentences. Mettez les verbes au subjonctif. Now why do we use it? We use it to express an action whose realization is not sure. Okay, and it expresses will, desire, wish, possibility, impossibility, judgment, necessity and preferences. Okay, and we do have some verbs of emotions that are conjugated in subjonctif, like regret, fear, to be sorry or happy or sad or surprised, and some constructions that express necessity or possibility and denial are also conjugated in subjonctif, like it may be that, it is necessary that, it seems that, it is possible that, or it is impossible that, in that way. Okay, so if you notice here in the sentences given, you have que written everywhere. Okay, so it's a must. If you are using subjonctif, there should be que present in your statement, like je veux que, il est nécessaire que, il est obligatoire que, il faut que, il est désirable que, je suis heureux que, il est suffit que. Okay, in that way. So now let's start with the first sentence. First statement is je veux que tu dash poli. Now the verb is être. So we'll conjugate it in subjonctif. Je veux que tu sois poli. That means I want you to be polite. Now être is an irregular verb, so we have written sois. Now the next sentence is il est nécessaire que vous dash à l'heure. Now the verb is venir. We have conjugated the verb with vous. Il est nécessaire que vous veniez à l'heure. That means it is necessary that you come on time. Now the next sentence is c'est obligatoire que tout le monde dash. The verb is avoir le permis de conduire quand on est en volant. Now the verb is avoir. C'est obligatoire que tout le monde ait le permis de conduire quand on est en volant. It is mandatory that everyone has a driving license while driving. Now we have conjugated avoir according to tout le monde, means il, elle, singular case we have used here. Now the next sentence is il faut que nous dash. The verb is aller chez le médecin ce soir. Now aller verb will be conjugated according to nous. We need to go to the doctor this evening. Now the next sentence is il est désirable que vous dash. The verb is savoir bien les leçons. Now savoir verb will be conjugated with vous. Il est désirable que vous sachiez bien les leçons. Means it is desirable that you know the lessons well. Je suis heureux que tu dash. The verb is finir ton travail à l'heure. Now finir verb will be conjugated with tu. Je suis heureux que tu finisses ton travail à l'heure. Means I am happy that you finish your work on time. Now the next sentence is il est suffit que je. The verb is remplir cette fiche. Now remplir verb will be conjugated with je. Il est suffit que je remplisse cette fiche. It is enough that I fill out this form. Il est possible qu'il dash. The verb is pleuvoir ce matin. Now pleuvoir will be conjugated with il. Il est possible qu'il pleuve ce matin. means it is possible to rain this morning. Now the next statement is il vaut mieux que tu, the verb is apprendre bien les règles. Now apprendre verb will be conjugated with tu. Il vaut mieux que tu apprennes bien les règles. It's better that you learn the rules well. Now the next statement is la directrice ordonne que nous dash, the verb is étudier attentivement avant les examens. Now the verb is étudier. La directrice ordonne que nous étudions attentivement avant les examens. That means the director orders that we study carefully before the exams. Now the next sentence is bien qu'il, the verb is être, malade, il va à l'école. Now être verb will be conjugated with il. Bien qu'il soit malade, il va à l'école. Although he is sick, he is going to school. Now the last sentence is il est douteux que tu dash, the verb is recevoir l'invitation demain. Now the verb is recevoir, we'll conjugate it with tu. Il est douteux que tu reçoives l'invitation demain. That means it is doubtful that you receive the invitation tomorrow. So this is how we use subjunctive in sentences to express doubts, uncertainty, possibility, impossibility, desires, etc. Okay. So in the next very class, we'll do the next question where we will use subjunctive et l'indicatif together in few sentences. Okay. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.